See, this is the Google Sheet where I have stored all of my patients' appointment details. It includes their name, contact number, doctor name, appointment date, appointment time, and all the other required information. Now just think about it. I have hundreds of appointments scheduled for today. Sending reminders to each patient one by one on WhatsApp would take a lot of time. Apart from that, there's always chance of forgetting someone or sending the wrong message. So that's exactly the problem we are solving in today's tutorial. Instead of sending appointment reminders manually, I have created an automation using Pabbly Connect. Now all I have to do is run this workflow once, and within just a few seconds every patient automatically receive the personalized WhatsApp appointment reminder. And look at this, the message is not the same for every patient. It automatically includes the patient name, doctor name, department, and all the relevant appointment details. And the best part is that I didn't send a single message manually. The automation handled everything in just a few seconds. This is the real power of automation. So now you might be wondering, how did all these personalized messages get sent automatically? So for that I am using Pabbly Connect. See, Pabbly Connect is a no-code automation platform that allows you to connect different applications together without writing a single line of code. In today's workflow, it automatically reads every patient record from Google Sheet, picks up the personalized details and sends them to Pabbly Chatflow, and then Pabbly Chatflow automatically delivers the WhatsApp reminder to the correct patient. And this is just one example. Using the same platform, you can automate thousands of different business processes by connecting your favorite applications together. And the best part is that you don't have to purchase it immediately. You can build this exact workflow using the free trial of Pabbly Connect and test it with your own data. Replace Google Sheet with yours data and customize the WhatsApp message. Once you start using automation like this, you will realize how much repetitive work can be eliminated. And after using it, if you create some mind to purchase the Pabbly plan, then don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. See, if this automation helps you to prevent even a few missed appointments every week or save your staffs a few hours every day, it can easily recover the cost of your subscription. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the step-by-step creation of this complete Google Sheets to WhatsApp appointment notification automation using Pabbly Connect. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. For creating a new workflow, you have to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are three ways to create a workflow by using Pabbly Connect. The one is create from scratch, second one is create using AI, and the third one is create using Quick Builder. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a workflow from scratch step by step, so I'm selecting that option. After that, I'll enter the workflow name in this field as the ultimate guide to automating bulk appointment notifications via WhatsApp. Next, the folder I'm selecting as Pabbly Connect and clicking on this create button, and see, our workflow is created successfully. Now this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you need to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that based on the patient record that I have created inside my Google Sheet, I want to send the appointment reminder. So for that, I am selecting my trigger application as Google Sheets. After that, the app event I'm selecting as new or updated spreadsheet row. Next, I am clicking on this connect button. See, it will provide me one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. At first, I'm copying this webhook URL from here, and after this, you need to go towards your Google Sheet account. See, this is my Google Sheet account, and this is the sheet that I have already created before, where I added all the patient's record. Now here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, at first we need to make a connection between Pabbly Connect and the sheet. So for that, you need to click on this extensions option. After that, click on this add-ons and click on this get add-ons button. After that, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks in this search app field and install it. After installing the Pabbly Connect webhooks, it is going to be appear like this. So go inside it and click on this initial setup button. Next, it will provide you one field by the name of webhook URL. See, here you need to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from the workflow. Here I have pasted. After that, the trigger column. The trigger column is the final data column where the data is added. So inside my Google Sheet, the trigger column is K. That's why I have entered K here. Next, I'm clicking on the send test button just for sending the test data. See, it says that test data sent successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response 4 seconds ago. That includes the data that are present in the first row of my sheet. See, the patient name is Arav Sharma, patient ID, location, and almost everything. See, it is here. After doing the setup, I am clicking on this submit button. See, the setup is configured successfully. Now, if you want to send all the patient records present inside this Google Sheet at once, then simply again click on this extensions option. After that, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks and you will see the send all data option. Right now, I am not clicking on it, but I'll do it at the end of this tutorial after we complete the entire workflow. That way you will be able to see the complete automation working from start to finish. You'll notice one another option called send on event. I am enabling this option because whenever this option is enabled, every time you add a new row or a new patient record inside your Google Sheets, the data is automatically sent to the Pabbly Connect in real time. You don't have to manually click on send all data every time. This makes the entire process completely automatic and saves a lot of manual work. Now that as we have successfully received the response, this means that the connection between Google Sheet and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I'm going to select my action application as Pabbly Chart Flow. Here I'm using Pabbly Chart Flow for sending a message to the patients on WhatsApp. Pabbly Chart Flow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. After selecting the application, the app event, I'm selecting a send text message and clicking on this connect button. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection, and next it is asking you for the token. So for getting this token, you need to go towards your Pabbly Chart Flow dashboard. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chart Flow, where you have to click on the settings option and go inside this API and webhooks. Here you can get your API token, so copy it from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the API token, click on the save button. And this is how easily you can connect Pabbly Chart Flow with Pabbly Connect. Next, in this recipient WhatsApp mobile number field, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google Sheet. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this number field, I am going to map the WhatsApp number. See, it is mapped. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different patients have different contact number, so for capturing each patient contact number dynamically, mapping is used. After that, I am going to enter the message in this WhatsApp message field. Here I have added. Now after this hello, I want the patient name. So for that, I am again doing the mapping from the response that I have received from the Google Sheet. See, it is mapped. Here I am doing mapping to make WhatsApp message personalized for each of my patients. This way, every patient receive their own name, appointment date, appointment time, hospital location, and other details automatically inside the message. Here I have mapped and I entered this message content completely based on my choice. You can customize it. Moving forward, these are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank. But before clicking on the save and send test request button, I want you to know that the contact number I have mapped in this field is a dummy number, and sending a message to dummy contact number is not possible. So for that, I'm removing this mapping from here and going to enter my number manually, just only for the testing purpose. But you have to make sure that in this field, you need to map have the real contact number that you were received from the previous application. And one more thing, the number will include the country code without plus sign. After entering my number manually, I am clicking on the Save and Send Test Request button, and you will see I have received the positive response, that is status as success and messages sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received a new message and includes all the data that I have entered and mapped in this WhatsApp message field. So this is how it works. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the Save and Send Test Request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the Save button and the automation will occur automatically. As we have successfully received the message on our WhatsApp, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. Now comes to the most important part of this entire automation: how to send personalized WhatsApp appointment messages to all the patients present inside this Google Sheets with just one click. So for that, first come back to your Trigger application and click on this Recapture Webhook Response button. See, this will make the workflow ready to receive the incoming data. After that, again go to your Google Sheet, click on this extensions option. After that, click on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and finally click on the Send All Data. The moment you click on it, look at this, Pabbly Connect immediately starts receiving all the patients' record one by one from the Google Sheet. You can see the multiple webhook responses have been captured successfully. And not only this, within just a few seconds, all the patients start receiving their personalized WhatsApp appointment reminders automatically. Right now, all these messages are coming on my own WhatsApp number because only for the testing purpose, I have manually entered my WhatsApp number in this field. But when you build this workflow for your own use case, simply map the patient contact number from the Google Sheet response and each message will automatically be delivered to the individual patient. No manual messaging, no copy pasting, no selecting contacts one by one. Just one click and personalized WhatsApp notifications are sent to everyone automatically. This is the real power of automation using Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chartflow. Now, instead of spending hours sending reminder messages manually, you can notify hundreds or even thousands of patients within just a few seconds. This not only saves a lot of time but also helps reduce missed appointments and provide a much better experience for your patients. And remember, this is just one use case. Using Pabbly Connect, you can automate thousands of different business processes by connecting your favorite applications together. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.